Hello guys, Ernest here from Nest Capital. Today being Monday, the trade I just spotted so far. I'm just looking at my charts now. Trade I just spotted so far is this. Okay, so um, once the market, I just mapped out this trend line here. So my idea on this trade is if this 15-minute bearish candle closes, I'll be interested to take a short. Okay, I'm interested to buy, to sell. I'm interested to take a short to sell. Okay, but if it doesn't close, I'll watch and see what it does. If it breaks above, let's see this point here. If it breaks above that point there on the bullish candle, then I'll buy. But for now, I'll be interested to sell if this candle closes bearish. All right. Okay. Hello guys. I got into the trade. Here as planned. Here, immediately this 15-minute candle closed bearish, I sold. And my stop loss was somewhere around here, but the market turned around and stopped me out. By the time I came back to my charts, the market had stopped me out. I actually came back to this chart late because as at the time I came back, the market was already at this point. Okay, so immediately this candle closed, I went long. All right, I'm looking to take profit somewhere at this level, and I'll be looking for a reaction of the market at that level to go short, to sell. Okay, let's see how it goes. I'll be looking to see how the market reacts at this level to sell, but I plan on taking profits at that zone, that place. As you can see, this is the entry I took initially, the sell position that I was stopped out. Okay, remember, it's expected. No one knows the future. No one knows where the market is going to go. We're just working on probabilities, and probabilities was in our favor because the market is bearish and was going down, so we sold, but the market stopped us out. Fine. Okay, remember I told you, was the market closed above this zone here to buy? So most of you that was watching the market could have entered at this point and would have gotten close to 20 to 30 pips profit by now. That's if you entered at this point. But I came into the market late. As by the time I came back to my chart, market was already here. So at the close of this 15-minute candle, I took a buy, and I'll be taking my profits at this point. Okay, all right. All right guys, immediately I just shot that video. The market just reacted and came back down. It didn't even get to the level as planned. So what I did was immediately broke this low here. I got out and I entered a short position. You can see that initial buyer bought. This is the loss here. So I got out and entered a sell position, and it pulled back to this point and I entered another sell position. Okay, so I'm going to be keeping my stop loss right here at 466, and let's see how it goes. All right. All right, guys, the market is moving seriously in profit for us. I'm going to set my first TP at this zone here, 737, 133. 33. That's the break even. 49. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Yeah. All right, guys. The 15-minute candle is about to close, and actually, I think I'm just going to take this profit right here. Yep, I'm going to take this profit right here, right now, so that way I clear my debts. Okay, now I've wiped out those losses, the 400 and something dollar loss, and then the $164 loss, and in the end I'm up $230 in profit. Okay, remember guys, it's all about making profit. So now I can now hold this, my other trade. I'm gonna move it to break even and see where the market takes us with that. Okay, all right. All right, guys, update on the trade. The market has really dropped. I can afford to take my profit now, and that would be 1,200 plus profit. But I'd like to hold and see if I can collect more. Okay, so I'm going to move my take profit to this point, my stop loss to this point, and cover some profits. Okay, so 37 to 73. All right, now I've moved my stop loss to that place. That way, if the market retraces against me and moves back up, I'll still go home with some profit. Okay, so I want to hold this trade and see if the market can give me some more. Okay, all right. All right, guys. This is an update to the trade. The market came this close to actually stopping us out from the stop loss which I placed initially. Remember, even though if the market had stopped us out, I would have still been in profit, because this is my entry and this right here is my entry, and this was where the stop loss was. So I covered some profits, but luckily for me, the market came this up and didn't hit the stop loss, and now it is tanking now. So this is good. This is really good, as you can see, and I'm up $2,000 in profit, and I'm going to close that now. I'm happy with this for the day. Yep, I'm happy. You can see, and that's it. So far I have succeeded in making $2,200 in profit after a drawdown of $400 and $164. Okay, I later entered an Euro USD trade which is running, but for now this is me. I'm good so far for the day. All right, okay guys, that's how you trade.